Alright, welcome back YouTube. This is after the ice storm. We moved our trucks because we're worried about a tree over there falling on them, and my door is completely frozen shut. Yeah. Oh. Wow, that was a struggle. Okay, hop up in here. This is just gonna be another cold start video after the ice storm. As you will see, it is like 18 degrees outside right now, I think. Let's see, 17. See that? Oh, yep, 17 degrees. And hopefully they'll start. Wait for a bit, let the wait to start. Cycle one more time. I know you don't have to cycle, but I don't know. I still just do it anyways. Hopefully, this truck is known not to be very happy on starting. Wait a little bit longer. All right. I know this thing's not very happy right now. I think my starter may be going out on it because it turns over very slowly. So this one might be a fail, and I don't know, I'm gonna leave it at that right now. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Might have to just start that one up and then get jumpers on it. I don't know. I think my starter's going out, and that's why it's turning over so slow, because 18 degrees is not that cold. So I'll get back to you when I figure out what I'm going to do. Well, we got one to start, but now it is currently iced in. Nice. And this one started up on one cycle, the glow plug. So this one needs a new start, because that one turned over so quick, so fast, that it fired right up. This one, no. So put it in 4-wheel drive right now and see if they'll get it out of the ice. And then I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna put the jumper cables on and see if we can get this one started, hopefully, because well, we're a little ways away from the house and we can't get any block heater over here to plug her in, so hopefully it starts. I'll get back to you when we try and get it started. And you can hear the exhaust back pressure valve coming on. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise, but yeah, got out. Put the GoPro right up here maybe or something. Put it right there. You're probably gonna get the trunk or the hood in your way.
Ain't gonna go. Go get a start on battery turning on. I get all new fucking amps, but you need one here definitely, and figure out a double for that one. Find one to get it started. Start with that first. No. That one and this one. I replaced these two definitely. They're double full set. Because you probably put a starter in and it'll go It's not even that cold out right now.
No, it's not. It should be starting. Well, this should be starting.
Huh?
Oh, it farted a little bit. It's farting.
Recorded?
Yep.
Truck won't start?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep.
Started popping, so this might be the time it starts. There it goes. Finally started up. Well, there you have it. Did get that one really had a cold start, but that one fired up right away. This one took a while. So, thanks for watching.